Why does hate feel better than love? That's the question no one wants to ask out loud right now. But you and I know, and we see it every single day. Hate makes people feel strong. Hate makes people feel safe. Hate makes people feel like they're in control. And what does love do? Love feels risky. Love feels costly. Love feels like vulnerability. So hate becomes the drug of choice in our culture. It's cheap. It's addictive. It's everywhere. And just like a drug, it destroys you while convincing you it's giving you life. You see, hate is all over our nation right now, ladies and gentlemen, and it's time to address the elephant in the room. The rush of hate is exploding throughout the internet. People don't cling to hate because it's noble. They cling to it because it's easy. It's easier to curse someone than it is to understand them. It's easier to cut someone off than to reconcile. It's easier to call them an enemy other than your neighbor. You see, hate gives the rush of winning the argument, even if you lose the relationship. You see, hate gives the rush of being right, even if you end up alone. And in the world that has built an entire industry on this rush of hate, social media runs on an outrage. Politicians run on division. New channels run on fear. You see, hate isn't just tolerated anymore, it's marketed. It's marketed to the masses. Let's hate each other instead of coming together and loving and understanding one another. What does it look like in real time when we decide to change this up and focus on something that matters? Look at what's happening in the world. In Gaza and in Israel, children are being buried because hate feels safer than compromise. In America, mosques are being burned, synagogues are defaced, and churches are split in two because hate feels easier than respect. In Nigeria, we see Christians are slaughtered. In Pakistan, we see churches are being torched. Even in Europe and the US, anti-Semitism and it's surging like a wildfire. And ordinary people, mothers and fathers, children are trapped in the middle of hate that doesn't even belong to the children. It's not just war zones we're talking about. It's neighborhoods as well, full of families, full of kids. It's the coworkers you can't stand. It's the family members you won't forgive. It's the strangers you demonize before you even shake their hands. You see, this hate has divided our nation and it has to stop immediately. There's this seduction that comes with hating someone. Why does hate feel so much better? Because it doesn't require the hard work of love. Loving someone you don't understand is difficult. Hate is fast food. Love is slow cooking. Hate is the shortcut. Love is the journey. Hate is building walls. Love is building bridges. You see, hate feels better because it puts you on the throne, and love feels harder because it puts you on the cross. But I want you to listen very closely. One builds empires and the other one crumbles. The other builds legacies that last, and that's love, that's peace, and that's understanding. No matter how someone prays, no matter what they believe, there's a cost of love. Love will always cost you more than hate. It will cost you pride. It will cost you time. It will cost you comfort. What does it cost you to understand another person? Love is the only investment that multiplies. It is the only seed that grows into something bigger than you. When nations choose love, they heal. When communities choose love, they prosper. When families choose love, they endure. Hate burns hot, but it burns out eventually. Love burns slow, but it burns forever. You see, there's a mirror that God is holding up, that the nations are holding up to each other. Now, let's be honest with ourselves. Hate feels better because it's not just in them, it's also in us. We like the feeling of being right. We like the feeling of being superior. We like the feeling of being untouchable. But here's the truth. When you drink hate, you poison yourself. When you choose hate, you shrink your own humanity. When you live in hate, you die before your time because you're full of anger and resentments. It's time for us to leave hate at the door and agree to disagree peacefully. There's a vision that you must choose. Love anyway. Imagine a world where we turn down the volume of hate. Imagine an Israel and a Palestine where mothers didn't have to bury their children. Imagine a Nigeria where worshipers could walk freely. Imagine America where a Jew and a Muslim and a Christian could eat at the same table, not as enemies, but as family. This isn't naive. This is survival. Humanity cannot live on hate because hate consumes until there's nothing left. Love is the only way forward, ladies and gentlemen. And I want you to embrace this moment as a moment in time where everything changes, everything shifts. So I say to you today, hate feels good, but it's killing us. It's hollow. And hate feels safe, but it's chaining us down. But love, oh love. Love takes courage. Love takes vision. Love takes strength. Love lifts us higher. Hate nailed a man to the cross. Love rolled away the stone. Hate may give you the feeling of the moment, but love gives you the power of eternity. So let us rise up not with the chants of hate, but with the songs of love. Let us build bridges, not burn them. Let us choose humanity over hostility. Let us live not by the rush of hate, but by the power of love. Because at the end of the day, hate may feel better for the moment, but love conquers all. And love is better forever and ever. May God bless you and keep you. I pray that you share this message, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how love is changing your heart, how understanding someone else is motivating you to be a better mother, a better father, a better neighbor. Put love in your heart. Remove the anger, remove the malice, and let God touch you. Let God be with you in all that you do. May you order your steps in God's word. May the words out of your mouth be acceptable in the sight of God. My wish and my prayer is that we all come together and realize that we are one nation under God. May God bless you and keep you. I'll see you guys in the next episode.